Alright, so here we go. Northbound CSX. It is mixed freight. Like I did in my intro, this is in Signet, Ohio. It's a secondary CSX line. It does go down through Arlington where I live. And I saw this when I was leaving the chapel a little bit ago. Just want to get a video of that. Look at that. Utility poles. That's what I saw when I first saw the utility poles on it. Really CSX mixed freight. This goes under 3 minutes. I'll put it up as a short. But I'm also going to do this as a Christmas video. Look at that whole thing. I'll upload the big video on Christmas Eve. Maybe Christmas morning, not sure. This goes down into the Dunkirk Diamonds, all the way down into, this line goes all the way through outside of Mount Victory, in between Ridgeway and Mount Victory, through the triangle there. Eventually goes down through Marysville and down into Columbus and beyond. A secondary line, but this part doesn't see as many trains as down like mine does. We'll see 8 to 10 to upwards of 20 sometimes on a busy day. I've been told this part of the line only sees 4 to 5 a day. I like these little secondary lines. A lot of scrap in that one. And these gondola cars. And there you go, there's the end. Alright, hope you enjoy, and till the next video. If you're watching this, it'll be a short and then into a bigger compilation for Christmas. God bless.